How to see uninstall app in Play Store. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can see uninstall app in Play Store. So in order to see uninstall app in Play Store, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, in order to see the uninstall app in the Play Store, you'll have to go ahead and check your internet connection first of all. You have to go ahead and log in into your Play Store. So once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, click on the profile icon from the top right hand side and go to manage apps and devices. After that, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. Just go ahead and select manage from the top, and here these are all the application that is actually installed or exist in the application. Along with that, it's also going to show you the update that's actually available. And to see the recently uninstalled app in your Play Store, or to see the uninstall app, you have to click on the install from the top left hand side, and from the drop down go to not installed. Right on this page you'll be able to find all of the application that has actually been uninstalled. So in this way you can find or see uninstall app in your Play Store. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.